certificate and an award will be coming from Mark.
Good afternoon, everyone. On behalf of the Bawit family, especially Bon, who is not present with us today, we would like to present this award to our dear Auntie Lita, the Mother of Perpetual Help Award. As the word perpetual help is defined by the Catholic Church as provider of never-ending and uninterrupted assistance. So by that, it is our pleasure and we are so thankful for your extending love, care, and guidance to our family, especially Bon's family. Thank you and happy birthday.
There we have it, ladies and gentlemen. Best supportive in the world, presented by Miss Jessa. And your message.
Best supportive mother kasi napaka-supportive mo sa amin, mas lalo na kala Stacy at Nair. Ginabayan mo kami, suportahan sa lahat ng bagay. Ikaw yung second na magulang namin sa bawat family. Thank you, Auntie. Happy birthday.
Let's have a photo. Title is Being Best Auntie in the World. And the message.
Yes, Auntie, you are the best auntie. Because you embody all the very best qualities a person can possess. Wisdom. Thank you for your guiding advice and the clear perspective you share. Kindness. Your generous heart and thoughtful nature have enriched so many lives. And strength. Your face life with grace, resilience, and an inspiring positive outlook. Happy birthday!
Thank you so much, Miss.
Award ko. So, yung award na ibibigay ko sa kanya, personally, she's my safe space. So, ang certificate, ang award na ibibigay ko sa kanya ay Safe Space Award. So, katulad po ng sinabi ni Auntie Flory kanina, siya po yung naging magulang namin nung nandito kami sa Manila or lumipat kami dito sa Manila. So, siya yung una nakakaalam ng milestones namin, ng mga problema namin. Siya yung pinupuntahan namin kapag kailangan naming huminga sa mga problema namin. So, that's why it's Safe Space Award. Thank you, Auntie. Happy birthday.
Ito pong certificate na i-award ko namin kay Auntie Lita po is Best Lola in the World. So, Auntie, deserve mo to kahit wala ka pa sariling apo. Grabe yung pag-i-spoil mo sa mga bata, sa mga magpipinsan, sa Barikawa Kids, sa Bawit, sa lahat. Kahit hindi mo sariling apo, grabe yung pag-aalaga and very generous, very thoughtful siya. So how much more pag may sarili na siyang apo? Siguro, grabe, ang swerte-swerte na magiging apo nila Auntie and Uncle. So, ito pong certificate po is Best Lola in the World. Much deserved. Sobrang deserve po ni Auntie ito. Thank you po, Auntie, sa lahat.
A beautiful.
Time kong magbigay ng mga ganitong message. Ikaw may cousin you are my best cousin. Minsan nagugulat na lang ako na bigla kang nag-chat, nangangamusta. Ang second, best cook in pinakbet. Kasi, naalala ko noon, i-auntie, bata pa ako, tinatawag niya ako, kumakain sa inyo. Ito, ganito yung ulam, minsan, tinolang manok. So, alam ko na ibasa ko sa iyo, naturuan ka din magluto nun. Ito lang manang, and happy 75th birthday.
Thank you so much, and let's have a photo.
Ng aking wonderful Auntie Lita for her 75th birthday. Ang masasabi ko sa kanya ay hindi ko makakalimutan yung mga suporta na kanyang very much supportive ang aming auntie at very much concerned. So ang certificate na ito is best support system in the world. Ayan, si auntie. Kapag nagkukwentuhan kaming dalawa niyan, kapag tumatawag, o kumusta ka na? Kumusta na kayo? Lalong-lalo na nung bago pa lang ako sa Manila, kapag magpupunta ako sa kanila, o kinakailangan, ganito ang gagawin mo. Kaya hindi ko makakalimutan yun, auntie. And happy birthday. And ang wish ko sa iyo ay magkaroon pa ng many more birthdays to come. Happy birthday, auntie.
Ikaw ay best master chef in the world. Alam mo bakit? Alam mo pa bakit? Dahil yung luto mong siomay, napakasarap. Dahil ikaw ang siomay lita sa buhay namin, lalo't ang paborito ko ay ang siomay nobo. Happy birthday po ulit, Mamita.
Thank you so much. Yes, Nair. And let's have a photo together with your, how do you call your... Pada Padakam. And very excited na po kaming lahat.